there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very cool science project that you can do at home. So you might be wondering, what's the science project about? Well, we're going to be using eggs. And you might be wondering, why are we using eggs? You can eat an egg, you know. So eggs have calcium, and calcium is in our teeth. Now you might be wondering, why are we talking about teeth? Well, our teeth are very important. If you didn't have teeth, you wouldn't be able to eat. And many people get cavities by not taking care of their teeth. So, right over here, we have water, then juice, then soda, and then vinegar. But now you might be thinking, why is there vinegar? You don't drink vinegar. Well, let me tell you. Most food products use vinegar as a flavor, so you might not know that vinegar is in your food. So let's get this project going. So you need 4 boiled eggs. So I'm going to put my first egg in the water. Okay, I have to put it carefully in the water. Okay, there we go. Next we're going to be taking the juice. And the egg. Sorry guys. And then we're gonna keep it in the dish. Okay, don't splash it like me guys. And then we have another boiled egg, as you can see. And we're gonna put it in the soda. Okay. Now our last one is the vinegar. We have 2 eggs that are floating. Wow, let me tell you why they're floating. See, these liquids are more denser than water, and that's why they're floating. Hi there guys, it's been a week. So let's go check on our eggs. So, now you're going to be needing 2 tools to finish this experiment. So right here we have a toothbrush and toothpaste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking out the egg and I'm going to put toothpaste on the toothbrush. And then we're going to scrub it as if we're brushing our teeth, because eggshell is made of calcium and that's the same thing as our teeth. So if you don't want to use your hands to pick the egg up, you can just use the spoon. So this is the egg in water. So we have our spoon and we're going to take it out. Okay. Here's the egg. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly leave it in the water because I need to put my toothpaste on the brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the egg and I'm going to scrub it. Okay, now don't scrub it very soft. Scrub like hard. Okay. Okay. Now do you see that? There's stains and it's gum. So the water just makes a bit of stains, but it can be gone easily. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it thoroughly in the water. Okay, now wash it nice. Okay. Now as you can see, the results for this egg, it's just normal, like a normal egg. So the water did nothing to the egg. This is how the soda looks. It's almost like there's a layer surrounded by it. Okay, so now we're gonna scrub it. Okay. As you can see, okay. wash it. It feels really soft and slippery. I don't know how. Can you see that? Now that happened because vinegar is an acid. Now we're gonna scrub it. So as you can see, the egg in vinegar, the shell has entirely came off. Now after this portion of the egg, it didn't come off, and it wasn't that strong for the vinegar's acid to come off because this portion was at the top, so it wasn't dipped in nicely. Feels squishy, not that squishy as the vinegar. Rub it. Now as you can see, its whole shell has came off, and it also has a green stain. And over here, this portion of the egg, the shell didn't come off because it was floating and it didn't get dipped in it. This is the juice egg, this is the vinegar egg, this is the soda egg, and here is the water egg. So if you think which one's the best, I'd say it's the water egg because that is good for your teeth. Bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing and cool experiments you can do at home.